Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a grid at home. First, let's gather our simple supplies. You'll need a ruler, a pencil, and some paper. Choosing the right paper size, like a standard 8. 5 by 11 inches is a great start. Make sure your pencil has a fine point. This helps create crisp, clean lines, which are essential for an accurate grid. Now, let's start marking. Take your ruler and measure along the top edge of your paper, making small marks at regular intervals, for example, every 1 inch. Repeat this process on the bottom edge. Then, carefully use your ruler to connect the corresponding marks from top to bottom, creating your first set of vertical grid lines. Precision here is key for a neat result. To complete your grid, you'll follow a similar process for the horizontal lines. Measure and mark points along the left and right edges of your paper, again using consistent spacing, perhaps 1 inch. Then, connect these marks with your ruler, drawing straight horizontal lines across the paper. Once all lines are drawn, gently erase any stray pencil marks to give your grid a professional and polished appearance. Your new homemade grid is incredibly versatile. You can use it for drawing, planning layouts, or even various craft projects. It's fantastic for practicing how to scale images or designs accurately. And speaking of stories, if you love to read, check out the link in the description for the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime, and expanding your horizons with countless books.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.